Banks gang, it's Anylah here, and in today's video I got a SHEIN, however you say it, haul. I just got this package today in the mail. I was expecting it to say SHEIN, but it didn't. This package here had came. I didn't open it yet. I was waiting to save it on the camera. Want to see what nail goodies I got? Make sure you stay tuned. Want to start shouting people out. So the first 3 people that comment on this video, I will shout you out in the next video. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe to the Banks gang. It's a little crazy over here. I do story times, but I'm multi-talented. So if you in for somebody who got like ADHD, but it be like good story times or just like good stuff like DIYs and crafting stuff like that, then I suggest you stay tuned. You should go ahead and subscribe to your girl, because it's a giveaway at 10K. We almost there. We have like 7,000 something, which I'm appreciative of. Before I keep rambling, thank you, and let's get into today's video. If y'all don't know by now, I'm about to do nails. So if you would like to get some press-ons from me, go on to my Instagram. My handle will be linked down there in the description box. I'll also have it on the screen, but it's at Anylah_Banks. That's my name, okay? The next video after this coming out is a part 2 to this video, because I didn't get all my parcels. So yeah, I'm gonna do a story time over that one as well. But let's get into today's story time, which is going to be why I don't drink hard liquor no more. Because, oh no, see, this is still terrifying. And this is what, damn near 10 years later? So your girl was turning to 23 years of age, and I decided to have a birthday party at a club. So I reached out to one of my good friends and set it up, and he told me, cool, I ain't got to pay the whole thing. I just pay half, because, you know what I'm saying, we rocking like that. So I'm like, okay, cool. The section came with 10 people and 3 bottles of your choice of alcohol, and depending on if you want top shelf, it go up more than that. I was a Ciroc girl, so I didn't care. That came with the basic package. So it's the day of the birthday party. I go pick up my best friend, and I pick up my ex-best friend. No, I went to go pick up my cousin and then my ex-best friend, Sarah. Y'all should be familiar with Sarah. I have many story times about her on the TikTok, Anylah Banks, if you ain't over there following me or seeing what the hell I be talking about. Otherwise, I mention her a few times here. Those videos that I mentioned about her, I will link them in the card. So when you see the eye at the top of the screen, click on that if you want to learn more about Sarah. All right, so let's tell you what Sarah was on. So as I picked them up, we on our way to the club. We going downtown Milwaukee, and I'm telling everybody like, hey, don't let me get too intoxicated, because they know I'm a drinker, but I'm really not a drinker, because I'm the blackout drunk. So I told them, hey, you know what I'm saying? Don't let me get too intoxicated, because I still got to go over there and go see Whitewater. So cousin was like, okay, cool, I got you, bro. And then here's Sarah. Sarah's in the back seat talking about some, no, bro, your birthday got to go down with a bang. You got to go out with a bang. I'm like, yeah, okay, that was cool and all, but baby, it ain't the 4th of July. Like, I ain't trying to do all that. Like, I'm just appreciative that I got people showing up for me to party with me to bring in my birthday. That's it. That's all. So I guess she had a secret hidden agenda up her damn sleeve, because we get to the party. We had to be there at 9 o'clock. I get there, and they asked me what type of Ciroc I wanted. I tell them, I remember them bringing the bottles and the chaser, some cranberry juice. Now, I put some ice in my cup. I put like a shot, probably like a baby shot to the people that drink. That's probably a baby shot. That's like a off the top of something to drink, I guess. But I did that, and then I turned around and observed the club, because this section big as shit. And they talking about 10 people. Like, we could fit more than 10 people. Like, what's up? So I turn around and I'm looking to see, you know what I'm saying, fill out the club. Who's all in here? What's going on type shit. So then I turn back around so I could put my cranberry juice in my drink. And y'all, all 3 bottles is still there, but they gone. All the liquor on the inside is gone. And I'm just trying to figure out how the hell did I just pay $450? Ain't nobody chip in on this party, but y'all want to chip in and drink up all my damn liquor. Somebody better figure out the liquor, replace the liquor, hit my hand for the liquor. Somebody better do something, because hell no, I ain't signed up for this shit. So my brother, he was like, oh no, it's cool, G. What type of drink you want? So I'm like, I just want a mixed drink, because again, I got to go see Whitewater. I even told him that, like, bro, I got a little flingy fling I'm about to go see. I can't get too intoxicated. So he like, okay, cool. So he was like, what type of drink you want? I said like a baby drink, like a mixed drink, like something fruity. You know what I'm saying? Girlies drink, not too much on the alcohol, just cool. I'm already good. I had a shot. I'm cool. I'm already damn near drunk. So he was like, all right, bet. So then I turn around and me and cousin talking. Then I'm twerking on her and best friend, and we doing what we do best. And then I get a tap
tap on the shoulder. I turn around, it's Brother. Brother don't got no mixed drink in his hand. He got a big ass full bottle of the red berry Ciroc, talking about some happy birthday, sis. I said, oh shit, yep, I don't think I'm going to see Whitewater tonight, honey, cause shit, I'm about to be toe up from the flow up. So it's 10 o'clock, y'all. Remember I had to be there at 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock, and guess what? I'm blacked out drunk. You heard that right. I'm drunk. I'm out of my mind. I don't even know who got control of my body at this point. I don't even know. Yeah, I blacked out. So I remember. No, I don't remember. My cousin told me that she had took me to the bathroom because I said I had to tinkle, and I was back there lying to girls in their face. I'm like, you are so beautiful. And I was like, was they beautiful? And she said, bro, no, they was busted. I was like, oh. And then she said that she was trying to get me to walk back to my section, but I had the noodle legs. So she was like, oh, shit. So she heard me run over there to the peoples and tell them like, hey, I need some help because shit, you know what I'm saying, them legs going out. So I guess in this process, the dude who booked the club for me, my guy, he seen me like this and he was like, no, I can't have Anylah going out there like that because she got some popularity on her name. You know, people know her for having money, and I don't want people to see her like this so that they could try something and be on something with her. So he had pulled me into the kitchen, and behind the kitchen doors, it was a bucket, and I remember vomiting in the bucket. And then I guess when my cousin made it to our people, she told them about it. Like, hey, I need some help. Bring her here because she fucked up. Like, bro, what we about to do? Because she fucked up. And I guess Sarah decides to go on back there. And whatever the fuck she made up, she come back telling my people, talking about some, that my friend who booked the party for me, like my actual good friend, is back there trying to take advantage of me. He's trying to get my car keys, my purse. He trying to drive me to his house. I'm like, blacked out, so I can't say nothing. But my cousin, she like, no, he did it. Like, what is you talking about, bro? Like, no, he did not say that. So then he's trying to tell people like, I did not, I don't know what y'all, listen, at the end of the day, I'm here for Anylah. She's vomiting. I'm giving her water. I got her a bucket to help her. I don't know what more y'all, I'm not on no crazy shit. But here goes Sarah talking about some, yes, you did say that. Yes, you did say that. So my people's like, well, because it's her best friend ain't gonna lie. What, you know what I'm saying? What she gonna lie for? So now it's up. It's up. And they tore that whole club up. And I'm unconscious. So they shut the club down. It's time to go. So now as we leaving out, I'm blacked out. My soul is probably in the Matrix somewhere. I don't know where the hell my soul was at. But my brother, he got me over his shoulder, y'all. Like, I'm that drunk, bro. He had to have me. Oh, it was so embarrassing. So I guess he's trying to figure out, because he didn't ride with me. So he's trying to figure out where the hell did sis park at. So cousin trying to link up with him, but she drunk. She got on heels. She wobbling. She trying to catch up. She trying to tell him like she parked her car in the structure over there. But in the process, the other club let out. And then now it's some dudes. I guess it's like 6 dudes on that with me. So my people like, oh, no, bro. So now, you know, chaos erupts. And some people got hurt. And 2 of my people had went to the jail behind this shit. And I didn't know about none of this. So I guess brother had drove me home. I woke up the next morning, well, that morning, and I guess I beat everybody up. But I woke up in a straight panic because I'm like, where is my phone? Where is my car? Where is my purse? Where is my car keys? Where is my pocket monster? Where is my safe? Where is my money? Like, what happened last night? So then brother, he came in there. He was like, your phone is on the side of the bed. I had charged it because it was dead. You do know that Cuzzo's and them went to jail. I'm like, wait, what? Went to jail for what? So he was like, man, it was crazy last night, sis. Like, bro, that one, we all gonna remember that one. I'm like, what? Tell me. I don't even know what happened. So he was like, basically, you know, this, that, and the third. Sarah said this. Now she got everybody all geeked up and shit. Motherfuckers was out there doing this, that, and the third. You know what I'm saying? Folks went to jail. I'm like, so what Sarah say? He like, Sarah said that dude was back there trying to take advantage of you. So you know what I'm saying? You know, you can't tell the fam that shit because it's over. I'm like, oh my God, no. So he was like, well, don't worry about it because you know what I'm saying? Such and such was trying to steal your purse. They was trying to pickpocket you. And cousin got your keys to your car. She got your purse. She got your money and she got your pocket monster. I'm like, oh my God, where's my car? He was like, your car in mama driveway, bro. You in mama bed. I'm like, oh my God, like what? So then I got the hangover. So I'm calling everybody and everybody's saying the same story, bro. So now I'll call her Sarah, and I'm like, Sarah, what's up? Like, da 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 da. She swear up and down she ain't say that. Talk about some. I know how your family get down. Why would I tell your family that when I know that they would hop on that with dude? Bro, wasn't you the one to say that you wanted my birthday party to go out with a bang? Wasn't nobody on no rah-rah shit. You was. Either you don't know how to control your liquor, you was too drunk and don't realize what you was saying, or you had this plant the whole fucking time. But either way it go, bitch, you're wrong, because 2 of my people went to jail behind this stupid ass shit. Like, why would you do that? But y'all, I had to cut her off. And ever since then, I don't drink hard liquor because I know I got people in my corner that really fuck with your girl. And I don't want them to go to jail for no crazy shit. So to avoid all of that, I just don't drink. Do y'all drink? If y'all drink, what's y'all favorite type of liquor? Put it down there in the comment section. Or do you have any crazy stories like this too? I just feel so bad because they went to jail behind some shit that could have been easily prevented if you would have just told the truth from the beginning. Like the fuck? But anywho, y'all, this was the video. These some nails that I had did afterwards just to see. I ain't have enough storage. But until next time, Banks Gang, me love you. I see y'all in the next video in 2 days. Bye.